Today I'm going to show you how you'd be able to create a smooth sliding text animation in DaVinci Resolve. So let's get started. So here we are in DaVinci Resolve, and from here, we're going to go into the Fusion tab and then click here on text to create a text node right here. Next is that you want to navigate here into your inspector tab right here on the right side and then type the text that you'd want. So in my case, I would want to say text slide, for example. And then I would want to format how it looks first. So I'm going to go into another font. Let's say I would want this one right here. So something thick. And I think this one is perfect. I just need to make it bigger. So I'm going to go for the size and make it bigger just like that. And then once you're satisfied, right click on your text right here and then go click here on follower. Once you click on that, the next thing that you want to do, now you want to go here into modifiers, go into shading tab, and then you would want to keyframe the opacity right here. So click here on the keyframe button and make sure that your playhead is at the beginning and your position right here. So you want to go for offset X. You would want to click here on the keyframe there again. So now we have something like this. And now next that we want to do is that we want to go double click on follower, and then basically we would want to scroll down again and then go here into the y value right here, offset y. So we would want it to be negative 0.3, and then we would have something like that, and then the opacity here should be 0. Double check your opacity, make sure that it is keyframed, and now you would want to go here into 10 frames forward. So you want to navigate in here and you should see 10. You want to click on that to move 10 frames right there. And now you want to bump up the opacity again back into this one right there. And then next is you would want to go here into the offset in the Y. You want to make it normal again. So back to the value of 0. Next, scroll back up and go into timing. And from here, you would want to go for order into left to right. And then the delay should be 2.0 right there. There it is. And now from here is that we could also adjust the graph in here. So we just need to click on the spline right here. And then you would now be able to see the keyframe curves right here. So we just need to click here and then click here. And then as you can see, we now have the keyframe curves, and then we can curve it out as much as we want to. So just like that and so on. So it will be like this, for example. So you could do whatever it is that you want. So in my case, it would now be like that. So as you can see, it's not really that smooth. But yeah, this is where you'd be able to modify the curves here on the animation of your sliding text. So let's go back, and then now I have that currently. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.